Most people get this wrong. They assume all rewards credit cards are the same. But the surprising truth is that the ANZ Rewards Platinum credit card offers unique perks that make it stand out, especially if you spend strategically. The ANZ Rewards Platinum is designed for people who want to earn points on everyday purchases. You earn rewards points on all transactions, with bonus points for categories like groceries, dining, and fuel. These points can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, or even statement credits. In my experience, the card is particularly valuable for regular spenders who maximize the bonus categories. One key feature is the introductory offer. New cardholders can often earn a significant number of bonus points if they meet a minimum spend within the first few months. For example, spending $3,000 in the first 3 months might earn you tens of thousands of points, which can cover a flight or a few nights at a hotel. Another benefit is the travel perks. While it doesn't include free airport lounge access like some premium cards, it offers travel insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranties. This makes it a solid choice for people who travel occasionally and want extra security on their purchases. The surprising truth about this card is that its value depends on your spending habits. High monthly spend in the bonus categories can make the reward substantial, but if you spend only occasionally, the points earned may not justify the annual fee. Speaking of which, the ANZ Rewards Platinum does have an annual fee, so it's crucial to weigh the points earned against the cost. In conclusion, the ANZ Rewards Platinum credit card is ideal for disciplined spenders who can leverage the bonus points categories and introductory offers. It's a great card for travel rewards and everyday perks, but make sure your spending patterns align with the benefits before applying. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips so you can pick the card that actually works for you.